What is up, my fellow people, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the channel. My name is Tlogi, aka Tlogi. Ayo, I'm back with another reaction. And who do I got today? Cassper Nyovest. 4 steps back. Mufasa, the king. Ayo, I told people, I told them they didn't listen though. I told them Cassper is gonna reply, bro. I told them. Nah, Cassper. Ayo, that man is petty, bro. Hey yo, let's react to 4 steps back. Damn. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Let's go.
I'm reading my speech. No one is going to tell me what to do at what time. I'm in charge. That's why these fools are running around here. I'm in charge.
On a point of order, Chair.
Julius Malema. Straight.
Point of order, Chairperson.
Order, Chairperson.
I've got the ruling party by
Order,
straight
Chairperson.
out.
Soon, Venga.
How you gonna start like that, bro? God damn. Hey, yo, I'm excited for this. Y'all can tell I'm excited for this, bro. Damn.
I like it. That's what you want to do. Okay, Shapa got the Billiard on the rocks, no matter Pindas. We drink billiard to boy the standing. Facts. We don't need no water and no average. Facts. Show up at the party with a bad bitch. She excited, shorty just can't keep her hands still. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. I talk too much, I got the whole game on my scrotum. Get off. The mafia got the sick.
I got the whole game on my scrotum. I got the whole game on my scrotum. Get off. That means your niggas is dick riding, bro. Stop it, bro. Cassper for president.
The bad bitch. She excited, shorty just can't keep her hands still. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. I talk too much, I got the whole game on my scrotum. Get off. The mafia got the city on my shoulders. I'm getting hotter, but
Are you serious?
the city getting colder, so I'm growing antisocial. Shit is deep. And they say, Cass, just ignore that, man. I'm like, nah. It's gonna be fun, yo. Put it on, let's rap. I put you on, and I even had to force that track. An endorsement, yeah, Cavella, man, that's 4 steps back. I mean, how dare you step to the dawn, another level. The only time I see little niggas is in my rev. The first 16 was kinda like just to prepare you. Cause I'ma say what all of these other niggas is scared to, yeah, out of the way. But it hour today, yeah, it's all fun and games until I wanna play. Sit back and relax, it's about to get uncomfortable. Why you mad at me? Ambitious the one fucking you, they said it's war.
Cassper Nyovest, ladies and gentlemen. This is Cassper Nyovest. This is not your average rapper. This is Cassper Nyovest. Breaking news. He is breaking people. Aye.
Yeah, it's all fun and games until I wanna play. Sit back and relax, it's about to get uncomfortable. Why you mad at me? Ambitious the one fucking you, they said it's war. And I should load up strong. I said, nah, let's take it easy, you should hold that thought. You ain't the king, cause he that nigga who owns those songs. Man, you a bitch, cut the act and just show your thumb. Get ready to be removed, boy, some things you shouldn't do. Cause you build your career on the features with who and who. You know you got a history, my nigga, don't get confused. See, this right here is karma for women that you abuse. Situation is as tight as your pants.
Situation is as tight as your pants, bro. Situation is as tight as your pants, bro. This is my favorite rapper in South Africa. I don't care. Bite me, bro. Fight me. I don't care, bro. I love Cassper to death, bro. Yo.
Just with who and who. You know you got a history, my nigga, don't get confused. See, this right here is karma for women that you abuse. Situation is as tight as your pants. The Hype magazine or this rap shit. Caspita, think about it. You only blew up after my feature. Get it? And now you wanna come after me, dog. I guess Reno Rato Safuli.
What's the song, bro? Does Cassper have a song with Big Zulu that he blew up on? What is the name of the song? I don't know it, dog.
You know this rap shit, your speed, I think about it. You only blew up after my feature, get it? And now you wanna come after me, dog. I guess Reno Rato Safuli Wankari steam raw. You should have done piano too, dog. That's what I see, dog. So pilla waperem kokotel. And like hip hop. 40 million views, I mean that's not bad. Considering that half of it is just one track. Man, how the fuck is you an upcoming artist at 36? And why you try to use Ricky's death to get a hit? See, women like my smile, I'm guessing the cheese different. Yeah, we don't pay no rent, we own the cribs that we live in. Yeah, I've been in trouble too, had to bribe police even, but the difference is I beat the charges, you beat women. If we sick by the money, I know where the cash at. You are Mandam Tembu, I'm Romet Kumede. I never see you with bitches, only niggas with bad raps. I'm sure Halili Studio Young Da,
No, bro. Hell no, bro. That's out of line, bro. Ah, man. You see why I don't like... You see why I'm afraid of this guy, bro? He always crossed the line, bro. He always gonna cross the line, bro. It don't matter with this guy, bro. He will always cross the line. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. That's personal. Hey,
I'm soon. Ushamare was good. Cause now I get Hoshebi like I don't have a boon. Nkaramuta Shabets Papa Kamunkwa cabbage. You quick has about to Marsham when I whip a leg. Fuck you mean? I don't know why these niggas keep trying it, man. They don't Billy out. I'm not the one, boy. Y'all should already know by now. Talk to him. I guess I gotta keep reminding y'all. Rock for me. The king's back, the Don Bilianto. And if any of you motherfuckers try this shit, or you think of trying this shit, just know I'm always loaded. And I go for the heart. Don't fuck with me. Brand new single out, put your hands up. That's the motherfucking anthem. I got Shabaga Dabuto Biliato and the rocks no matter Pindasu. That's how I tell them
ah, but I feel like, man. Okay, I like the song. Fede, he didn't do too much, he didn't do too little. He responded, that's what he did. But I feel like this beat needed someone to speak. Like Cassper should have he should have done something. He should have messed this beat up. This beat was too perfect for him to kill, bro. But anyways, man, I forever lie. Cassper, for me, in my opinion, this man doesn't have a bad song, bro. In my opinion, he can't make a bad song. Damn, bro. You see, in this song, he was promoting Put Your Hands Up. I love that shit, bro. Hey, yo, Big Zulu put himself first, bro. That man sacrificed himself, boy. Hey, yo, I'm out, man. I'm out. Peace.